This how to 1 minute will show you how to remove index.php from URL in WordPress. So as you can see, I opened my WordPress contact page and here we can see the index.php at this URL bar. Now let's see how to remove this index.php. In order to remove index.php, log into your WordPress dashboard. Scroll down and hover over on settings and click on Permalinks. Inside of Permalink structure, you have to select post name. Then scroll down, click on Save Changes. Once you've changed the Permalink structure, now go to your website and reload the site. And as you can see, the index.php has been removed. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.